2D shapes. 1. Square. Squares are 2D shapes consisting of 4 sides and 4 corners. All sides are the same length and all corners are at a right angle, 90 degrees. 2. Rectangle. Rectangles are 2D shapes with 4 sides. All sides are the same length as the one opposite them and all corners are right angles, 90 degrees. Unlike squares, 2 adjacent sides do not have to be the same length, but 2 opposites do. 3. Parallelogram. Parallelograms have 4 sides. All sides are the same length as the one opposite them, and all sides are parallel with the opposite one. Unlike rectangles, each angle does not have to be the same as the adjacent angles, but 2 opposite angles have to be the same. 4. Rhombuses. Rhombuses are 4-sided shapes where all sides are the same length. 2 opposite angles must also be the same and 2 opposite sides are parallel. 5. Trapeziums. Trapeziums are 4-sided shapes. 2 of its sides are parallel while the other 2 aren't. The 2 non-parallel sides are the same length and each of the 2 pairs of adjacent angles are the same. 6. Kites. Kites are made up of 4 sides. 2 pairs of adjacent sides are the same length, usually the top 2 are paired and the bottom 2. The 2 angles that separate the pairs are the same and the 2 others are different. 7. Triangles. Triangles are 3-sided and there are 4 types of triangle. 1. Isosceles. Isosceles triangles have 2 sides the same length and 1 side different. The 2 angles adjacent to the different side are the same and the other angle is different. 2. Equilateral. Equilateral triangles have all sides the same length and all angles the same, 60 degrees. 3-sided version of a square, really. 3. Scalene. A scalene triangle has no rules really, just 3 sides. 4. Right angle. A right angle triangle has to have one right angle, 90 degrees, in it. 8. Pentagon. A 5-sided shape. Pentagons can be regular or irregular. Regular ones have all sides the same length and angle. Irregular ones can be any polygon with 5 sides. All angles are 108 degrees in a regular pentagon. 9. Hexagon. A 6-sided shape. Hexagons can be regular or irregular. Regular ones have all sides the same length and angle. Irregular ones can be any polygon with 6 sides, like a 3-pointed star. 10. Septagon/heptagon. A 7-sided shape. They can be called either, they're just different languages for a 7-sided polygon. Heptagons/septagons can be regular or irregular. Regular ones have all sides the same length and angle. Irregular ones can be any polygon with 7 sides. 11. Octagon. An 8-sided shape. Octagon is from octo, 8, gon, polygon. Just like an octopus is an animal with 8 legs. Octagons can be regular or irregular. Regular ones have all sides the same length and angle. Irregular ones can be any polygon with 8 sides, like a 4-pointed star. 12. Nonagon. Nonagons are 9-sided shapes. Non means 9, even if it sounds like non. A regular nonagon is one with all sides and angles the same. Irregular nonagons don't have to have the same sides and angles. 13. Decagon. A 10-sided shape. Dec means 10. Regular decagons have all sides the same length and angle. Irregular decagons could be any polygon with 10 sides, like a 5-pointed star. 14. Dodecagon. Dodecagons are 12-sided shapes. Do is 2, dec is 10. 2 10 is 12. Regular dodecagons have all the same sides and angles. 15. Circles. Circles have one long curved edge reconnecting at the start. A circle's diameter is the distance from one side through the middle to the opposite side. A circle's diameter is always the same from different points around the circle, otherwise it comes an ellipsis or an oval.